If you want to use Eff-It to bleep out words in a clip or a sequence, but your transcripts are all in the Adobe Text panel, you can import them into Eff-It and then create a sequence and captions with the chosen words bleeped out.
Oh, hey, I didn't plan that.
This same process works with any text file or caption file. You can bring it into Eff-It, sync it, and bleep it.
All we do is fight. We're not happy.
First, select the clip or sequence that's been transcribed in the text panel. In the Transcript tab, click the top right menu and then go to Export, Export to Text File, and save it. Then open Eff-It from the Window Extensions menu, and open the clip or sequence that your transcript is going to be synced with. If you're importing to a clip, select the clip in the project panel and then turn the clip mode switch on. If you're importing to a sequence, open the sequence and then turn the clip mode switch off. Sequences are detected by opening the timeline and not using the project panel. Click Import and select your file type, which in this example is a text file, but could also be a caption file. Then click to select the file. The text file needs to be synced with the clip or sequence to create timecode that Eff-It can use to accurately bleep the words. If you want to go ahead and do that now, make sure the Align Transcript to Clip or Sequence box is checked, and then click Import. You can leave the rest of these options as is. Although if you have a transcript file that's broken up into a bunch of really short lines, like an SRT caption file, you're going to want to make sure that combine lines into paragraphs is set to on. This is going to improve performance with longer transcripts. So since I want to go ahead and align this transcript now, I'm going to check the Align Transcript box and then click Import. This starts the alignment, which has Media Encoder export the audio, and then Eff-It starts syncing the audio with the text. Alignment is basically happening in the background at this point, and you can work on other tasks in Premiere. To align multiple clips and transcripts at the same time, first import the transcript to each item, and uncheck the Align Transcript to Clip or Sequence box. Once that's done, select all the items you want to align in the project panel, then click the top left menu in Eff-It and click Batch Align Transcripts, and then click Continue to queue them all up for alignment back to back to back. Once you have an aligned transcript, the text will play back in sync with the video.
Elliot is alone on the platform. She stares at the empty track.
And clicking any word in the transcript will jump to that point in the video. Now to create your bleep sequence, first click the flagged words menu in the top right. This shows you which swear words have been auto-detected by Eff-It, and you can remove words from this list or type and click Add to add your own words that you want to bleep. We have a separate video going over all the other options in this menu linked in the description. It lets you customize the bleep sound and customize how the bleeped words look in the transcript and in any captions you create. You can click Save to close this menu and then click Eff-It when you're ready to create the bleeped sequence, or you can just click Eff-It in the flagged words menu. Eff-It will create a new sequence with cuts in the audio and bleeps inserted into the cuts at the flagged word locations. This process is pretty fast since we're not exporting or importing anything, just building a new sequence in your same Premiere project and then placing it in the Eff-It folder in the project panel. I can see that everywhere it detected a flagged word in the transcript is now bleeped in the audio, and there's a bleep in the transcript.
Pretty dead in here. Playing that.
If there's part of your audio like a music track that you don't want to have the cuts, you can double-click the bleeped sequence audio track to open it, mute, and then copy any tracks that you don't want cut, and then paste those tracks in the bleep sequence. Now I have my music unbleeped and the rest of my audio with cuts and bleeps at the flagged word locations. You can bleep all of your clips and sequences at once by selecting them all in the project panel, then selecting Batch Eff-It from the top left menu. Finally, you can create captions using your bleeped transcript by clicking the Export button and then selecting the caption file type you want to export to. Each caption file type has its own options, and this is an easy way once you create the bleep sequence with the bleeped transcript to export captions that also have the bleeps. And I can bring that caption file into Premiere and add it to the timeline as a caption track. And now I've got captions that match the bleeps in my audio.
It's pretty dead in here.
You can download Eff-It or any of our other plugins from our website, digitalanarchy.com, and start a free trial or email us with any questions at cs@digitalanarchy.com.